There's so much talk around the practice of yoga, and we understand it with our own understanding. How this is possible? As we are struggling with our own problems, how one can consider or understand that they have enough intelligence to understand what life is? A divine guidance is required, like the guidance of someone who actually is Buddha. And what these people actually had told us, yoga means having such a sort of happiness which is unspeakable and which is always present in the individual. And such state can be obtained only when we remove the vrittis or the bad habits residing in us. We all know it, but then going beyond the mind, this is the difficulty which we all face. This actually is the true spiritual discipline. The formula number 2, which Patanjali had told, yogas chitta vritti nirodha. That's it. Thank you.